Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this system of equations. We have two equations here. The first one is 1 divided by x plus y plus 3 divided by x minus y equal to 11 divided by 12. And the second equation is x squared minus y squared equal to 24. And we are only looking for the real values of x and y that can satisfy these two equations. All right, let me tag this as equation 1 and tag this as equation 2. Let me start with equation number 1. So from equation number 1, let me simplify it a little bit. We can take this and multiply by this. That will give us x minus y. So we have x minus y. Then we add, we take this, we multiply by this. That will give us 3x plus 3y. 3x plus 3y. We divide by the product. If you multiply these two together, is just a difference of two squares, right? X squared minus y squared. So this is x squared minus y squared, and this is equal to 11 divided by 12. So now let us simplify the top. X plus 3x, that will give us 4x. So we have 4x here. Then negative y plus 3y, that will give us 2y. So we have 2y here. We divide by this difference of two squares from equation 2 is just 24, right? So it is equal to 24. So we have 24 here. This is equal to 11 divided by 12. The denominators are almost the same. We can divide the top and the bottom of the left fraction by 2. So we can reduce it to 2x plus y divided by 12, right? So this is equal to 11 divided by 12. Since the denominators are the same, we can equate the numerators. We have 2x plus y equal to 11. Let us make y the subject here. So we have y equal to 11 minus 2x. Here is another important equation, and let me call it equation number 3. Now we are going to substitute this equation number 3 into equation number 2. And what is our equation number 2? It is just x squared minus y squared equal to 24. So wherever we have y here, we are going to replace it with 11 minus 2x. So we have x squared minus 11 minus 2x all squared, and this is equal to 24. Let us expand this. We have x squared minus the whole of this. The first time squared, 11 squared is 121. Then 2x squared is 4x squared. Then 2 times this is 22. Times this will give us negative 44x. Negative 44x. And this is equal to 24. Let us expand the bracket. We're going to distribute this negative sign and all signs will change. So x squared minus 121 minus 4x squared, then plus 44x. Let me bring the other term to the left, minus 24. This is equal to 0. X squared minus 4x squared will give us negative 3x squared. We have plus 44x. Then minus 121 minus 24 will give us minus 145. Minus 145. This is equal to 0. Let us multiply every single term by negative sign. So we have 3x squared minus 44x, then plus 145 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. I think it can be factorized. First of all, we are going to take the leading coefficient, which is this, and multiply it with the constant term, which is 144. So let me do it elsewhere. We have 3 multiplied by 145. This is equal to 435. Now we are going to think of two numbers, which when we multiply them together, we get this, 435. But when we add them together, we're going to obtain negative 44. And the numbers are negative 15 and negative 29. So we have x minus 15, but we have to divide by the leading coefficient. Then we multiply by x minus 29. We also divide by the leading coefficient. The whole of this equal to 0. So now let us set each factor here to be equal to 0. The first one we have x minus 5, right? Because 15 divided by 3 is 5. This is equal to 0. Or the other one, x minus 29 divided by 3 equal to 0. Solve each one. We have x either equal to 5 or x equal to 29 divided by 3. Now we have values of x. What about corresponding values of y? We are going to use this important equation right here. Where is it? Equation number 3, where we have y equal to 11 minus 2x. We have two values of x. Let me start with the first one. When x is equal to 5, when x equal to 5, we have y equal to 11 minus 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, and 11 minus 10 is 1. Therefore, y equal to 1. So we have our first combination of x and y values. When x equal to 5, y equal to 1. So what about the other solution? That is when x equal to 29 divided by 3. We're also going to substitute it here. Y will be equal to 11 minus 2 multiplied by 29 divided by 3, right? And y equal to 11 minus 2 times 29 will give us minus 58 divided by 3, right? To simplify this, you can take 3 and multiply by 11. That will give us 33. 33 minus 58, that will give us negative 25. So we have y equal to negative 25 divided by 3. Another combination of values of x and y, that is when x is equal to 29 divided by 3, y will be negative 25 divided by 3. And hence, these are the two solutions to this problem. An assignment for you is to test whether these two values will satisfy our original equations or not. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.